Yeah, that's exactly right. There's a lot of arguments on both sides here about whether or not to begin constructing Hunter Lake. From the city's side, they argue that they need a backup water source for times of extreme drought and more space for recreational activities. But for water rights groups here in Springfield, they argue that it's a waste of taxpayer money and it'll destroy thousands of acres of wildlife. Get this on camera. Okay.
That's rough.
Did you get it on camera? Did you get it on camera?
Someone, yeah.
Okay.
Do you think they need a ride?
Probably. Should I call Kelsey and tell her?
No, I'll show it to you.
Okay. Holy shit. Okay, do we want to do the look live?
Not really.